Good morning, everybody. This is Janita Mason, Medical Director at Light Medicine Ministries. So yesterday, after my entropy, neg-entropy video, the Medical Director of Energy Medicine for Light Medicine Ministries, Cynthia Ritchie, got a hold of me, and she's like, Janita, it's actually cententropy. Okay, so I mean, entropy it does in physics represent disorder, chaos, disorder. And neg-entropy is, of course, order. However, I like her word better, and here's why. It is actually referenced in the book, cententropy, right? So everything's coming to the center, everything's lining up, everything's coming into order. And the reason why I like that word better, it resonates with me, is because the neg-entropy, you're actually taking the base word is entropy, which is chaos, which is not the original order of things. It's not the original condition of things, okay? We came from a very orderly, beautiful, universal, laws of health and of beingness and of light. Our light bodies are very ordered. Those wavelengths are right on spot, okay? So I don't think it's correct to use neg-entropy because it's using an unnatural condition and responding to that with the negative of a positive thing. So I like cententropy better. Okay, so I'm going to be referring to order as cententropy, and I do have something to report about that. So anyway, so the Tesla enhanced, the Tesla powered plasma waves, longitudinal plasma waves that are actually there's a chip in there that actually patterns that wave into the golden ratio, into the spiral, and the source of life, basically, and can't get more basic actually, and I got 2 packages from Riyama, and so I've been on it every day for 14 days. And I go hard because I can. I wouldn't suggest that for everybody. Probably Herx react, all kinds of stuff, may come up. But I could do things like this, all right? Because I'm a clear channel. Been at this for a long time, since 14, actually, consciously, but all my life, really. Consciously at 14. So anyway, what's interesting, because that does that source pattern, that golden ratio, it does line things up. It pulls your cells into channel, and it helps align you to your light body. But it does create order out of even somebody as clean as I am. I'm susceptible. There's involuntary toxins that I'm exposed to every day, right? And so anyway, I have noticed a very odd thing, like for one, my nails took off. So, and also my pH has been stable every morning at 6.5, which is perfect because intracellular runs about 0.8 higher than extracellular, and urine is extracellular. So that's a spot on 7.3. So I'm really digging that. That's something as well. So, but that to me is proof of how creating order, light flow, which is, again, the fundamental core value, core practice of Light Medicine Ministries' medical model, integrating energy with matter, is all about pulling everything, getting everything centropic. Into centropy. Okay, wait. Okay, you know what I mean, right? So it's about creating that order from chaos that even, of course, my body, none of us are going to live forever. We're all experiencing some kind of decomposition, which is also entropy. So things aren't lining up, light's not flowing through. So again, that shows you when light is traveling through your body effortlessly, and it's not being adulterated, it's not being, shards of it aren't flying in different directions because of toxicities. Everything is flowing elegantly. Probably a good term would be with grace of God, the grace of free-flowing light. Everything works better, more efficiently, okay? So, that's how I read that. That's how I read my nails taking off and the pH, which, I'm obviously sucking up hydrogen, which is really cool. I can't get enough of that stuff. So anyway, I'm digging it. And real quick, speaking of oxidative stress, I'm going to actually, with this video, real quick, introduce the 10 root causes of disease. Now, the next 10 videos, I'm going to take each one of them and break them down and discuss how Light Medicine Ministries both, our biological medicine model, the bio part, the carbon-based part addresses those 10, as well as the energy medicine addresses those 10. So that's going to be a lot of fun. That article is a 16-page article that the Bioregulatory Medicine Institute actually published when I wrote it. So it's a really good body of knowledge to look at, when you're, deciding how you want to take care of yourself, and what's going to be causing those 10, precipitate those 10 root causes of disease. So oxidative stress, the elements on their own, the natural elements of Earth actually would resonate very well with each other, and naturally go into a centropic condition, because there is such a thing, and it was referenced in what Cynthia sent me, vertical evolution. So, we go from the root chakra, where, all the elements are kind of separated, right? We're in a 3D system here, right? This dimension. So you want everything to resonate. Take care of yourself, resonate, not adulterate the process. Don't interfere, don't implant, adulterate the natural, elements of the earth with toxins, because toxins have different frequencies and they create incoherence. And that was another thing she mentioned too. I might touch on tomorrow, because I think I'm running out of time here. I try and keep it at 5 minutes. So anyway, so oxidative stress is a fundamental cause of disease and quick mortality. You can't expect to live long on bad diets and this and that when you're pumping oxidative stress, because it steals electrons, which actually discombobulate the atom, the molecule. So now it's running around all discombobulated, and looking for another electron to steal in order to stabilize. So that's an example of entropy, right? And it's trying, because our natural state is to vertically evolve. It's, our bodies are always trying, which is another thing that causes a lot of work on the body, which will cause advanced aging, is that there are a lot of oxidative stress. The body's naturally trying to clean it up. It's a lot of work to try and make everything stay in entropy. Okay. So I hope I'm making sense here, because I talk off the cuff. I don't rehearse this stuff, I like the downloads, and I never know what's going to come out of my mouth, and it's usually right, but I did get tuned up. Cynthia, I like that word better. I like cententropy better. So anyway, the body's always trying to get back to the divine design. The natural frequencies and vertically evolve from the root chakra, the density into the higher chakras, and then the crown chakra and beyond, where everything is white light and aligned again. Okay, we have the different hues and the different frequencies all trying to line up and create cententropy. So we can access and ascend, essentially. I think that, that term, cententropy, vertical evolution, is all about ascending, right? Like practicing the lifestyles and mind styles and conscious styles that get us to the next dimension, mindfully. Okay, because heaven is on earth here. If you're not experiencing it, it's because you're not thinking about it, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, you guys enjoy your day. I am, as usual, and this is lightmedicineministries.com. If you want to reach us directly, it's retreats at lightmedicineministries.com, and the number is 877-285-9266. Stay cententropic. Okay. All right, take care. Bye.